If you guys have a WordPress website, you need to be using these 6 plugins. So these are my top 6 WordPress plugins for 2024. So welcome to Casey's SEO. And without wasting any more time, let's dive into these plugins. Number 1 is WP Rocket. So WP Rocket is a caching plugin. Now, if you are on WordPress, you will understand that you need to have a caching plugin in order to increase your speed, because you're probably using lots of other plugins and your code that you're using, it might be a little bloated. But with WP Rocket, you can minimize your CSS and your HTML. You can lazy load your images, and you can do basically anything you want with a caching plugin. Now, this is a paid plugin, but it is worth the money. Number 2 is Link Whisper. So this plugin will go out and find your keywords that you have throughout your website and internal link those pages with whatever page that you're on. Now, this will save you guys hours. So if you guys have a 100-page website and you have not added any internal linking, once you install the plugin and get it set up, it will automatically go out and do all your internal linking for you. It's very simple. All you have to do is check the box with the suggestions that they provide and click install, and then you are done. Number 3 is Yoast SEO. Now, I always use the premium version because you also get a redirect plugin with the premium version. So Yoast SEO will allow you guys to add titles, meta descriptions to all of your pages, give you some more suggestions on readability, and if you need to add anything else to hopefully optimize that page to the best that you can. And then you get that redirect plugin. So if you need to add any 301 redirects, you can set everything up right there, and you save yourself from having multiple plugins by just using the Yoast SEO Premium Edition. Number 4 is Updraft Plus. So Updraft Plus allows you to duplicate your website or make a backup just in case you have any issues. So you can make a backup and save it on your server and then download it to your computer, or you can use their cloud, and then you can upload any backups to the cloud. Now, this is really helpful if you have a mess up on your site. Maybe you ended up deleting a lot of pages, or your website got hacked. You can go back through and set up a new copy of your site very, very quickly. It just takes a couple clicks of the button, or you can just set it up so every day it automatically makes a backup, and then you will always have it just in case you need it. Number 5 is Imagify. So Imagify will help you optimize all your images on your site with just a couple of clicks. Now, once you have this plugin installed, you can set it up so anytime you upload a new image, it will automatically optimize that image from a file optimization standpoint. So if you upload a larger file, this will compress that image to help speed up your website and help the image load a little bit quicker. And it will also integrate in with WP Rocket. Number 6 is Elementor Pro. If you have used any other design plugin on WordPress, you probably know that some of them are a pain in the butt. But I have found by using Elementor for the past 4 or 5 years, it is just super simple to use, and it just makes my life a lot easier than trying to use some of the other design plugins out there. So this is a must-have for me. And honestly, even if I have a client that has a 100-page website in Divi, for example, I will ask them if I can go out for free and change everything to Elementor, just because I feel it's so much easier to work with. And in the end, they're going to be saving so much money because it's faster to work with, it's easier, you can do more things. And that's just, in my opinion, but it is a plugin that I feel you should definitely look into if you haven't used it yet. there you go. Those are my top 6 WordPress plugins that you guys should be looking at in 2024. Now, you don't have to use these exact plugins, but if they have the same functionality and you're familiar with them and you like the layout better, then go ahead and use those. But I feel that these plugins are some of the best ones that I have used in the past 5 years. So give these a try if you've never heard of them. If you're brand new to WordPress, go ahead, look up these plugins. Some of them are paid, but I find that they're definitely worth it. If you guys have any other questions or comments, please let me know, and I will leave a link to all these plugins in the description below.